Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 1, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, just go into Settings. Now scroll down and click on Security section. Then tap on Screen Lock and tap on the best login method for you. Swipe pattern, PIN or password. I will go with pattern, so now I have to click on it and enter my pattern. Now select Next and confirm it. After that, select Confirm at the bottom right corner and tap on one of those options to answer this question. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? I will go with Don't show notifications at all, so have to click on it and then tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Now when I go back, turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!